You'll need for an almond and chocolate tiramisu: some eggs, some whole almonds, some chocolate hazelnut spread, some strawberry jam, Moroccan almond extract. Do try and get the extract if you can, not just the flavouring. Some caster sugar, and instead of lady's fingers, I like to use these chocolate chip cake bars cut in half. And last but not least, some mascarpone cheese. First thing we're going to do is separate your eggs, which I've already started. The first job is to whisk up your egg whites until they form nice white peaks. When it forms little peaks like that, you're good to go. With your egg whites nice and fluffy, it's time to go in to your egg yolks with your sugar and get these mixed up until they're nice and creamy. Eggs and sugar nice and creamy. Going in with your almond extract. A good teaspoon of that, heaped teaspoon if you could get such a thing with a liquid. And then we're going in with the mascarpone cheese. With your cheese in, it's then time to give them a good old mix up. When they're all nice and mixed, it's time to put your mixer to one side. Get your egg whites, and we're just going to put this in about a third at a time. And instead of mixing that in, we're just going to fold that in. With that all nicely mixed, we're going to pop that into the fridge for an hour or more, just to firm up a little bit. Time to play with your nuts. So, into a blender with your almonds, pop your lid on and get them pulverised. When your topping's been in the fridge for an hour or more, it's time to start building your tiramisu. So in my case, I'm going to cut the cake bars in half. If you're using lady's fingers, don't do that, just use the lady's fingers. Then I'm just using what I forgot to say in the ingredients. It's some cappuccino coffee, an integral part of tiramisu. Can't believe I never mentioned it, but anyway. Then onto there I'm going with some jam, and what I've done, I put it in the microwave for a minute and it makes it a lot looser so that you're not dragging your bread, breaking it up. Same for your chocolate hazelnut, in the microwave, and it really liquefies it up, makes it a lot easier to put on. Then we're just going to do that for the whole bottom layer. With your base covered, it's time to go in with half of this deliciousness. And then onto there with some of your crushed almonds. And on top of there, it's on with another layer of your lady's fingers or sponge cakes. So coffee, jam, and hazelnut spread. And again onto there until it's covered. And same thing again, onto there with your filler. We're going to grate some chocolate, and all that's left to do is to go on with the rest of your almond nuts. Make sure you put out a portion for yourself, because once other people taste it, it'll be gone in a heartbeat.